Namaste everyone here. Welcome back in this pranayam session. In last videos we already talked about Anulom Vilom, Ujjayi and Shitli pranayam. So in this video we are coming with Shitkari pranayam. Also will explain the technique, benefits as well precaution. Shitkari is very similar to Shitli pranayam. In Shitkari the tongue is not rolled into a tube. Instead it's rolled up to the touch the upper plate. The teeth are then clenched and the lips are kept apart. Those who found it too difficult to do Shitli pranayam can easily practice Shitkari and get similar benefits. Let's talk about how to do Shitkari pranayam. First of all, sit in meditative posture in which you are comfortable. Keep your eyes closed and try to touch the tongue upward. Join the upper and lower row of teeth. Now open your lips and starting inhale with making sound C. After inhaling, close your lips and breathe out through the nose. Repeat it at least 8 to 10 rounds. Inhaling through the teeth. Close your mouth and exhale through the both nose. This is the one round of Shitkari pranayam. The next step is the benefit of Shitkari pranayam. The Shitkari pranayam cools down the body temperature, so it's useful in fever. It is beneficial in mouth-related disease, throat and tongue. Shitkari pranayam helps in spleen and indigestion, best of high blood pressure and for the summer session. It is effective in dental problems. Shitkari controls body temperature, calms the mind, and it is the best to stress buster, reduce emotional and mental tension, and really best for the depression. Let's talk about the precautions of Shitkari pranayam. People who are suffering from cold and cough, asthma or other respiratory problem, tonsils should not practice Shitkari and Shitli pranayam. People who have low blood pressure problem are strictly advised not to perform this pranayam. Shitkari pranayam is the variation of Shitli pranayam. People who are not able to fold both sides of the tongue in Shitli pranayam can perform this pranayam. Perform Shitli pranayam and Shitkari pranayam after doing asana and other pranayams. If you are advanced level practitioner, so you can do Shitkari pranayam with Bandhas. First take inhale through the teeth and make Jalandhar with touch your chin on your throat and slowly exhale through the both nostril. This is the another technique with Bandha or Jalandhar one. If you want to try, should try it once a time. Now slowly combine, rub your palms together, touch on your face and open your eyes. Join your palm. Namaste. Thank you. I hope you enjoy this video. If you want to ask something, let us know in comment box. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you with another videos. Take care.